Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute the ringtone, you should click here, swipe this white dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. But first be sure that here in the volume button control you got selected the ringtone volume or the ringtone, and now just by press your down volume button you can also mute ringtone on your device. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.